is Ginger Meyer. I'm 16 years old. I play the alto sax, and I've been coming to the Jazz House for 3 years, and I attend the Sunday pre-college program and the big band. My favorite part about being back is the energy of like real people and the fact that they're just like such kind people and you get to play music with them and connect with them. I miss the most being able to play in a setting with like real musicians and to be able to communicate with them. Jazz House means to me a place where I can, it's like the only outlet I have where I can actually play with other musicians and like the music that I want to play.